Hey everyone, today we're working on LeetCode challenge number 1837. This one's called Sum of Digits in Base K. So in this challenge we're given two numbers. The first one, n, is just going to be an integer, and the second one, k, is representing a base. And what we need to do is convert the number n into the base of k, and then sum up all the digits that we get after we've made that conversion. So if we look at the example right here, the first example that we have is input n is 34 and k is 6. So we would take the number 34, convert it to base 6, which it shows you right down here. Once you convert 34 to base 6, that's going to be represented by 54, and then we want to sum up those digits. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So our output would be 9 for that example. So getting into how we're going to code this out, I'm going to start by creating a sum variable, and we'll just set that equal to 0, and we'll use that to add each of the digits to that value after we've made the conversion. So in order to make the conversion to the base, we're going to call n.toString and pass in k. And the toString method can simply convert a number to a string, but you can also pass in a value here, and that will allow you to convert it to a string, but also convert it to the base, whatever the value is that you passed in there. So we want to store this in a variable. We'll call it digits. And then we need to iterate through that variable. So I'm going to go let num of digits, and that's going to look at each of the digits in this variable right here. We do want to keep in mind that this is currently a string though, so as we're adding these to the sum, we want to call parseInt on each one of those numbers to convert it back to a number, and then at the end of all of that we can simply return the sum. Give this a check here. Looks good so far with our first couple examples. Let's submit and see if that's working. Yeah, there we go. Looks like we've got a working solution for this one. Feel free to let me know if you've got other ideas for how you would solve this, or a way that you could potentially optimize the solution for this one.